So there's a small issue I found with the spring weight with Pale Blues and Box Navies. Novelty's website states that the springs on the Box Navies and the Pale Blues are supposed to be of the same weight, which bottoms out at 65 grams. But I think I found out that the Navy switches have a stiffer spring than the Pale Blues. And here's a test I conducted. So these are both pale blues, as is. And they should have the same weight. So I compress both the springs together and then slowly pull one out, back out. You can see that both stems are decompressing at the same rate. So it's basically saying that these two switches have around the same weight springs. And that sounds about right. Same goes for both box navies. I push them down and then I pull them back and they do the same thing. Both stems are coming back at the same rate. But this is the issue I found here. So this is a normal pale blue and this is a declicked box navy. And the thing is that the declicked box navy can completely bottom out a pale blue on its own, including the click. You can see that the pale blue's bottomed out now, and there is some more headroom left for the navy switches. Same goes going the other way around. And this basically proves that navy switches have a stiffer spring than the pale blues. And I might perform a spring swap on all of these and see how it goes. I've done one already. I put on my space bar, and it seems like it feels a little bit lighter, not as light as J's obviously. So it doesn't suffer from the slow return, but it feels a bit lighter and the tactility is still there. So personally, I like them more. Yeah, I would personally like some clarification on the spring weights, but I definitely don't think that the box navies have the same springs as the pale blues. I'm suspecting that they might have springs from dark yellows, which are even heavier than the pale blue ones. So yeah, that's my test.